Hi teacher and classmates, my name is Natalia Julissa Masmela Suarez and today we're going to talk about the sound of English and the International Phonetic Alphabet. So when we talk about the sound of the English language, English pronunciation is one of the most difficult areas of the English language for Spanish speakers, mainly because unlike Spanish, in English pronunciation and spelling are not closely related. For this reason, we can find words that are pronounced the same but are written differently, such as eat, ate, night, night, week, 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 right, 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 or allow, allow. An example about the sound of the English language, we will show the alphabet. Yeah, because the alphabet explain how we can say the how words like A, B, C, D, E, B, C. So we will continue with the next. So, we will start with International Phonetic Alphabet. Yeah, so broadly speaking, the International Phonetic Alphabet is a set of symbols. Each symbol represents a sound in the spoken language. So, it allows you to transcribe any words or phrase just as it sounds. This alphabet was created by French and British phonetics in 1888. So, for example, E is like C, or A is like they, or berry with B is like berry, berry, o sea, B, berry. So, S is like seeds, and Su with Su is like soup. For concluding, I will say that those topics are very important for the learning to a new language because it shows us how the way we will to pronounce some words. I don't have a good pronunciation about some words, so it is a topic very interesting for myself. Thank you so much. Goodbye.